under weather. What do you like to do?
Not much moving right now. This is going to be a massive day. I know. Let's see. We don't need to think there. Oh no, it's hot enough. I'm just literally put that, so I'm sorry. Take it with the kids.
I don't like sitting backwards, but I'm looking at you.
Really? I know. Really, so why does we know it's snacks?
Because literally the chapters of the little speech bubble. Little speech bubble. It's so big. Right? So it's like, look at it. He's like, I'm ready to go. Right?
Next stop, Sackville Street.
Yeah, that's like my birthday. Yeah. That's kind of nice. Yes, you are. So I put him on top of like, there's like a coffee stand where you were getting coffee, and I put it on to just kind of chill, and it'll almost be like the line up me and needed to get all this stuff. I love it. Like this is all this. Now that we have
Next stop, Parliament Street.
I may want to, but I'm not for
Nice place to park there, buddy.
yeah, while I was working out with the gym, and it's just like, yeah, it was terrifying.
Next stop, Ontario Street.
Just so much respond. I look so bad today.
So we got my daughter that bag and that sweater, but then I bought those joggers.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Like, I may have to buy for his mom, but they buy for he actually
Everything is on. No, but you're the one that was like executing. So it's not.
I just don't understand.
Next stop, Sherbourne Street. Next stop, Jarvis Street.
what's it called? You know where Young Street is? Yeah,
Next stop,
Otherwise, it would.
Church Street.
Oh, I didn't put my address. I have my address. And I have to register. So
Chinese Christian softball. And then basically my mom was talking about me.
Next stop, Young Street, King, Subway Station.
she has to go to the office, like,
Huh?
once.
Did you